Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to change your gender on Twitter. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Your Account. Your account settings page will open. Click on Account Information. Click on the Gender field. Select your gender from the available options. Click Save to apply the changes. That's it, changes has been saved. This is how you can change your gender on Twitter. Thank you for watching.